This is the moment the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapsed in Baltimore. A large container ship struck the bridge in Baltimore this morning. The bridge collapsed into the Patapsco River after being hit by the vessel. Rescue operations are underway, led by the fire department. A spokesperson confirmed that the collapse is a mass casualty event. The bridge was struck by the Singapore-flagged Dolly container ship. All crew members have been accounted for with no reports of any injuries. There were contractors working on the bridge at the time of the collapse. As many as 20 workers are believed to have fallen into the Patapsco River. It has been confirmed the ship lost propulsion and collided with a supporting tower. The accident is expected to disrupt shipping in the region. The Port of Baltimore is the largest port in the U.S. for specialized cargo. 21,000 units of cargo are having to go through other ports. Additionally, multiple merchant vessels are now trapped in the Port of Baltimore. Traffic on the I-695 highway, which the bridge is part of, has been detoured. The Dolly was less than 30 minutes into its planned 27-day journey when the ship ran into the Francis Scott Key Bridge on Tuesday,